I'm sure you know that there's a lot happening in the world and a lot happening in Canada and a lot
Yes.
happening with the Canadian government right now.
Oh, yes.
So, what is one goal that you have in your time left in these roles?
So there are two, I touched on them earlier. I think for me, in the time that I have left as minister, and elections are slated for October this year, but as you know, we're in an unprecedented time in Canadian politics, is what I'll
Yeah.
say. But it's also been an incredibly unifying time over the last few days in
Mhm.
dealing with the US administration. Canadians are really pulling together in incredible ways and digging into a sense of Canadian pride that I think a lot of folks had lost for a while there. And it's really wonderful to see. But for me, that means that I want to harness that energy of coming together and really double down on the emergency treatment fund and really getting into communities to help meet the moment,
Mhm.
really meet the moment in the illicit toxic drug supply and overdose crisis, so that communities are feel and are getting the resources they need not to be overwhelmed by what's happening because it's trauma. Losing when communities lose multiple members to overdose, it is traumatic. And one of two things can happen. They can either mobilize or they can succumb to the fear of it and be stuck. So the emergency treatment fund is really there to help communities mobilize, to roll up their we're rolling up our sleeves with them and meeting them on the front lines to be able to save lives, because that's where we need to be focused. And the other, as I said, the Youth Mental Health Fund, it's if I have my way, by 2035 there will be 400 integrated youth service hubs across this country, so that if you're a young person, no matter if you are in Yellowknife or if you are in Iqaluit or if you are in Halifax or in Newmarket, you know where to go.
That's incredible. And I hope that that work is, exceeds your goals and expectations because it is really important work. If you want to hear more stories, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. To support more youth by youth led projects, visit us at youthspeak.ca where you can donate and spread youth mental health awareness.
YouthSpeak Charity. Speak, inspire, change.